Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. Now, just exercise 12.4 is being remaining of your chapter algebraic expressions, and it is based on the pattern and how that pattern is being formed. It is being given in your exercise 12.4 if you see in your textbook. So on page number 246. Now it is given, observe the patterns of digits made from line segments of equal length. You will find such segmented digits on the display of electronic watches or calculator. That all of you are knowing that जब हम डिजिटल क्लॉक और कैलकुलेटर यूज़ करते हैं तो इसमें डिजिट इस तरह से ही अपीयर होता है. So here the pattern is given, it is 6. Now to make this 1 6, how many line segments are used? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Total 6 line segments are being used. Now when 2 6 are made, then at that time what is happening? See, this 6 will be formed as it is, but again to form this 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, so 6 plus 6 12 होना चाहिए, but here it is only 11. Why? Because this one line segment is being common for both the 6, है ना. यहाँ पे देखो ये लाइन जो है लाइन सेगमेंट दैट इज कॉमन फॉर बोथ. if you will remove it, it will not form 6, it will be 5, but to form 6, ये जो बाजू वाला 6 है उसने यही लाइन सेगमेंट यूज़ कर लिए. जैसे नॉर्मली अभी घर जो घर बनाते हैं उसमें भी एक कॉमन दीवार हो जाती है, लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज वन कॉमन लाइन सेगमेंट फॉर बोथ. सो अब देखो काउंट करते हैं टोटल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. एक 6 बनाने के लिए कितनी लाइन सेगमेंट चाहिए? 6. सो दो 6 बनाने के लिए 12 चाहिए, बट हियर इट इज़ ओनली 5. वाई? बिकॉज दिस लाइन सेगमेंट इज कंसिडर्ड is taken as common for both, that's why 11 is coming. तो 3 आएगी तो कितनी होनी चाहिए? 6 3s are 18, but how much it is happening? It is only 16. If you will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So total 16 line segments are required to make 3 6. तो इसमें कॉमन क्या हो रहा है? कॉमन हाउ मेनी लाइन सेगमेंट इज बीइंग देयर? सो इफ यू सी 1 2 3 4 and 5, ये 1 2 3 4 and 5, these line segments are common. if you see मीन्स इतनी तो कंपलसरी बनानी ही पड़ेगी. एक 6 डिजिट फॉर्म करने के लिए इट विल बी 5 लाइन सेगमेंट्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड एनी हाउ. जब दूसरा उसमें जॉइंट हो जाता है एट दैट टाइम वन लाइन सेगमेंट इज टेकन एज कॉमन. दैट्स वाई द एक्सप्रेशन जो बनता है दैट इज 5n plus 1 means 5 line segments are common. Which 5? 1 2 3 4 and 5. These 5 line segments are common for all the 6 which is being made. और उसमें एक ऐड क्या हो जाता है? द कॉमन वन, जो दोनों के लिए कॉमन होता है. तो आप जितने भी 6 बनाओगे इन दिस पैटर्न, वो सब में क्या होगा? इट विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 5n plus 1 means 5 the common line segment plus 1 which will be the common between the two. दोनों के बीच में जो कॉमन होगा that is that one. So if हमें find out करना है कि like this, if we want to make thousands of 6, then how many line segment will be required? So what we will do, 5 in n means what? Number of line segment. So if we multiply 5 into 1000, so 1000 plus 1, so it will become 5000 plus 1, which is equal to 5001 line segment will be required if we want to make 1000 such 6 in this format only. तो जो एक्सप्रेशन बनता है कि 5 लाइन सेगमेंट तो कंपलसरी करनी है टू फॉर्म दिस 6, एंड दिस प्लस 1 मीन्स दैट द कॉमन लाइन सेगमेंट बिटवीन द टू 6. Same way if you see 4 4, 1 2 3 and 4, so 4 line segments. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाना चाहिए 4 + 4 8, but what it is happening 7. Why? Because this line segment is shared by both of them. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. सो अगेन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, कितनी लाइन कॉमन हो रही है, मीन्स कंपल्सरी करनी है 1 2 and 3 is to be taken compulsory, and this line will be shared by both of them. So that's why the expression which forms that is 3n plus 1. तो यहाँ पे भी देखो कितने 3 4 है, तो it should be 3 4s are 12, but it is only how much 10, because again the line segments are being shared. So that's why the expression form that comes to 3n plus 1. मतलब ऐसे अगर 50 this type of 4s are to be formed, then 3 into 50 plus 1, so we'll get the answer कि कितनी line segment चाहिए. Same way for 8, total how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, now एक 8 के लिए 7, तो 2 8 के लिए कितना होना चाहिए था, 14 होना चाहिए था. बट वॉट इट इज़ हैपनिंग हियर, 2 लाइन सेगमेंट्स आर बीइंग शेयर्ड. यहाँ पे दोनों शेयर हो गए विथ दिस 2 8s. ये जो 2 लाइन सेगमेंट है दैट इज बीइंग शेयर्ड बाय बोथ ऑफ देम. इसलिए बाकी के आप काउंट करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 जो शेयर नहीं किए और ये 2 जो शेयर किए, सो 10 + 2 इट बिकम्स 12. मतलब कंपल्सरी एक 8 बनाने के लिए कितनी लाइन करनी ज़रूरी है, सो 1 2 3 4 and 5. जस्ट दिस 2 लाइन सेगमेंट, ये 2 लाइन सेगमेंट ही कॉमनली यूज होगी, बाकी सब लाइन सेगमेंट तो करनी ही पड़ेगी, देन ओनली दिस टाइप ऑफ डिजिटल 8 विल बी फॉर्म्ड. सो द expression which is formed that comes to 5n plus 2, because यहाँ पे 2 line segment share हो रही है. Here it was only 1 line segment, that's why 1. Here also 1 line segment was being shared, that's why plus 1. But here 2 line segments are being shared, that's why we have to write it as 5n plus 2, means 5 compulsory line segment we have to make, and this 2 common line segment which will be shared by both of them. So the expression forms that is 5n plus 2. Now it is being given that if the number of digits formed is taken to be n, number of digits form करना है to, that is to be taken as n, means जितने like 50 60 70 100 1000 like that number of digits form करना है, उसको क्या लेना है n. The number of line segment required to form n digit is given by the algebraic expressions appearing on the right of each pattern. ये pattern के right side में expression form दिया है. How many segments are required to form 5 10 and 100 digits of the kind 6 4 and 8. मतलब 6 डिजिट फॉर्म करना है, तो ऐसे अगर 5 6 डिजिट फॉर्म करना है तो कितनी लाइन सेगमेंट चाहिए, अगर 10 डिजिट्स ऐसे फॉर्म करना है तो कितनी लाइन सेगमेंट चाहिए, और अगर 100 डिजिट्स लाइक 6 इज टू बी फॉर्म्ड कितनी लाइन सेगमेंट चाहिए. वैसे सेम वे फॉर 4 ऑल्सो 5 4 अगर बनाना है तो कितने लाइन सेगमेंट चाहिए, अगर 10 बनाना है देन हाउ मेनी यू हैव टू, how much line segment will be required. Then if you want to make 100 this 4, then how many line segment will be required, that we have to find out. Same for 8 also, 5 8s 10 8s and 100 8s, but we have to use this expression which is given on the right hand side of this पैटर्न. तो उसमें हमें n की जगह पे क्या करना है, पहले 5 रख के फाइंड आउट करेंगे कि 5 अगर फॉर्म करना है तो कितने लाइन सेगमेंट चाहिए. सेम वे 10 चाहिए तो 10 बनाने हैं तो कितने चाहिए, 11 डिजिट्स आर टू बी फॉर्म्ड, देन हाउ मेनी लाइन सेगमेंट्स विल बी देयर. ये तीनों डिजिट के लिए हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं सेपरेटली. ओके, सो लेट अस डू. So first one, if you will write question number first, A it is 6 we will take. Okay, now for 6 the expression which is being given in your textbook, that is 5n plus 1. Now number of line segments required to form n digits of, make that 6 also, is 5n plus 1. Means to form this 6, this is the expression given. The first we'll find if n is equal to 5, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में दिया है 5, 10 और 100 फॉर्म करना है. सो हाउ मेनी लाइन सेगमेंट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड? So 5, instead of n we'll put 5 plus 1, so 5 5s are 25 plus 1, which comes to 26 line segment will be required if we want to make 5 6. Same way, if n is equal to 10, so 5 tens are is 50 plus 1, so 51 line segment will be required to form 56. If n is equal to 100, so 5 into 100 plus 1 is equal to 500 plus 1, that comes to 501. Okay, this was for 6. Same way we'll do b, number of line segments required to form n digits of 4. Na? We'll make 4. Four is what? 3n plus 1. So if n is equal to 5, ये सब में कॉमन रहेगा 5, 10 and 100. Just here the numbers will change in the expression. So 3 into 5 plus 1, that comes to 15 plus 1, which is equal to 16. If n is equal to 10, so 3 into 10 plus 1, so 30 plus 1, which comes to 31. If n is equal to 100, so 3 into 100 plus 1, so 300 plus 1, which comes to 301. So this much line segment will be required. Now see, you have to do it by yourself. That is the pattern of 8. The expression you have to take, that is 5n plus 2, but the n will not change, it will be same. Just you have to find out how many line segment will be required. Now same way, question number 2 is being given in your textbook on page number 247. Now here what you have to do it is, use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of the number pattern. So ये expression है, if we want to form one digit, so put the value of n is equal to 1. So 2 ones are is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. अगर दो बनाने हैं, so 2 twos are is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 digits is to be made, so 3 twos are 6 minus 1 is 5. 4 digits, so 4 twos are 8 minus 1 is 7. 5 digits बनाना है तो 5 twos are 10 minus 1 is 9. अगर 10 digits बनाना है तो 10 twos are 20, 20 minus 1 is 19. तो अगर 100 बनाने होंगे तो क्या करेंगे, 100 twos are 200, 200 minus 1, it will come as 199. So I hope so you had understood what is to be done. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी आंसर्स दे दिया है, this much part, this 3 rows you have to fill. The second one, 3n plus 2, so 1s are करो, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is 11, 4 4s are 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. So अब 5 है तो 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17, 10 3s are 30 plus 2 is 32, 100, so 100 3s are 300 plus 2 is 302. So like that you have to do roughly, and you have to fill it in this box only. No need to do this question in your fair notebook, just do question number 1 only. So this was the last question of your exercise and of the chapter algebraic expression, and I hope so there is no doubt regarding this chapter. If any doubt is being there, you can get it clear in the Google Meet. So by this we end the chapter. See you again in the next chapter. So till then, thank you and take care.